Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here with another English grammar lesson, can and could. As you know, both of them are modal verbs or auxiliary verbs and they mean the same, but the usage are a little bit different, so we are going to explain them with examples. Starting from the meaning, can, it shows the present or future ability, but could shows the past ability. For example, I can speak English. It means I have the ability right now. But I could run fast when I was young. It means it was in the past and he is not able to run fast anymore because it was just an ability that he had in the past. Can and could also show request, but can show direct or less polite request, and could show polite and more formal request. So for example, can you help me? You're asking for help. Actually, you're requesting for help, but it's not more formal, it's less polite and direct. The could ask for requests in more polite way. Could you help me, please? You see the word please at the end and itself. The could shows the formal or polite request. So both of them are showing the permission. They both show permission. The can shows informal permission. When you're asking for permission to do something, like for example, can I sit here? And could do the same but more polite. Could I leave early today? Suppose you're at work and you're asking your boss to let you leave early. So both of them also show the possibility, but can show the general truth or possibility that are more certain. It means the possibility of happening that action or that thing is much more than we use the could. But could, when we use could, the certainty is less. It may happen or it may not happen. For example, let's just start from can. It can be very hot in summer. We know that usually in summer the weather is hot, so the certainty is much more that it would be very hot in the summer. But with could, for example, it could rain later. So it may or may not rain, so the certainty is not more and just less than the can. So the negative form of can is cannot or can't. I can't park here. And the negative form with the could is could not or couldn't. I couldn't understand the lesson. We also have the question form for both of them. When we are making a sentence question which contain a can or could, we just switch the subject and the verb places, like can change the place with subject and can come at the beginning of the sentence to make the sentence a question form. Can you help me? And could is the same. Could you repeat that? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment on the comment section.